Hi everyone, my name is Jonathan, a PhD student in environmental health, and I'll be sharing my work with the City of Boston Planning Department and modeling the heat impacts of a new neighborhood called the Beacon Park Yards Framework Plan. So currently, Beacon Park Yards sits on roughly a 100-acre site located in Allston, right by the BU Charles River campus. It's currently used as the I-90 highway entry and exit points, and is also used as a railroad for the MBTA commuter rail. The Massachusetts Department of Transportation recently won a big federal grant to upgrade this area by realigning the highway. And the I-90 highway makes a big bend around the rail tracks in this area right here. And the federal funding will allow the state and the city to straighten out the highway while consolidating the train tracks. And so as a result of the realignment, the whole new patch of land will be freed up for new development. The city of Boston has begun the process of figuring out what the new land should look like in a process called the Beacon Park Yards Framework Plan. And so therefore, they're thinking through various development scenarios and are undergoing a rigorous planning process to identify various concepts. One piece that is currently missing from the planning process, though, is to better understand the environmental impact, particularly around extreme heat and temperatures. We know that the design of the built environment, including things like road width, building height, materials used, street trees, and so on, all influence the temperature of the place. And so for my project, I worked with the Environmental Fluid Mechanics Lab led by Professor Dan Lee of Earth and Environment here at BU to run simulations using state-of-the-art modeling technology to see what impacts the new development would have on ambient temperatures around the area. We're still working through the simulation, so I don't have any results to show yet, but this is a figure. This figure is an example of what those simulations are able to capture. So for next steps, I'll be able to compare and contrast different development scenarios and how they contribute to the temperature of the area. And this internship is also an opportunity for me to really hone my communication skills as I'm currently engaging with urban planning practitioners to see how to best translate the science into on-the-ground decision making. Thank you.